Kwekina, miigwechkina gitinnem nogum kagi bishaek, kagi abi, gitin the toch, gitin the tadik. First of all, I would like to congratulate the new National Chief, Cindy Woodhouse. And all the chiefs that ran, thank all the people that traveled here, chiefs, elders, youth, who came here to help choose our new national chief. Thank you all. And we cannot forget our drums. Thank you, Miigwech. Thank you to the chair and co-chair, Weena and Adam. Miigwech. Thank you to our chief from Kitakanzibi, Dylan Waitat. Miigwech Dylan. And I say to all, say safe travels home. It's been a long 3 days, but yet it was a successful one. We did choose their chief, all chiefs did this job. This, what I hold in my hand, represents our original jurisdiction. Our ceremony pieces. This is what we need in our lives and traditional ways to holding ceremonies like this big event. It represents us as Anishinaabe people, the caretakers of this land, Mother Earth on Turtle Island. We have that jurisdiction. We have our own laws, and we have our own beliefs way before the newcomers came. For me, I truly believe it, and I talk about my chief when I first open it, and it always sticks with me. I'm not alone. Even though you see me alone out there, people that knows me, I'm never alone. And we are not alone. This is why we need our ceremonies, so the spirit of our ancestors be here with us. It took us 7 votes, 7 times. It shouldn't have, but it did. We forgot to bring our traditional ceremony pieces in here with us to bring it together. And for them to be here with us, our spirit, not only the spirit of our people, but all living things here on Turtle Island. Because the Mother Earth presents that to us, she gave us that. Miigwech dish, and I thank all of you. There was a woman that spoke about the flags. And for me, what I would like to see too, to have our own Anishinaabe flag for the Algonquin people. I'm here on behalf of my Algonquin First Nation. And for me, this is what I would like to see to be brought in here in our territory when we make elections. And I think this woman, she was pretty upset with the leading of the Canadian flag. Koni na din na rob desin. should come this in the day with scene. I don't see that and I don't believe in it. I believe in our own ways of life, our own tradition. And I thank that. And I know our new chief, our national chief, will do her job. And she will listen. And like I said, she will have to go and see her elders. She'll give her advice, not the government of Canada. And me, and for me, I won't say much. I know everybody's tired. I'm also tired too. So I'm going to ask the Creator, and I'll give him thanks, so you could all reach home safely. And for all the hard work that people did here to make this happen. I saw people walking around, all the organizations, people that answered to one another to help. And I thank them all. First of all, too, I would like to thank my daughter for bringing me here and helping me, because we need our young people. Miigwech tiskitinan Alice. So I'm going to ask the Creator to stand with us. Miigwech te benjigit. Kinkanage gongagigi send the manomatu to aki kanakagumok. Miigwech te mugumgagi nagsich kises to kises egishik. To kises unakshik ne seven. Mammy kanagaga omagits. Mtik nibi squide. Wees Isaac. Shawen mukinijan shik kagip kesiot. Shawen makakuziot. We do can mak. Nibigaktem de Shawen. Kidiscudem nangage kitipskinik. Springe gongivnike and de benjiges. Shawen mission. Miigwech, miigwech. Miigwech. Thank you.
Miigwech to the elder Rose from Kirigan CB. And now,